Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. I am going to be sharing a few fun neutral cards that Libby and I made. We crafted together virtually on President's Day. The first one is my first Easter card. It says He is Risen. It is from the Easter Lilies set. I made the background stamping in 3 different color tones. I did crumb cake, early espresso, and the dots, which are my favorite from Quiet Meadow, are done in Pebbled Path. I then edged with Pebbled Path and looks like early espresso. I think I ran the edges through with early espresso and then later came back and sponged lightly, focusing on the corners with Pebbled Path. This was a Pinterest pin. I will have the pin over on my blog. I used the die cuts from Notes of Nature. The only thing I'm not very happy with is that this particular piece of from the gold foil side of the Nature's Sweetness, it's the same as this little remnant strip that I tore. I would like to have reinforced this in hindsight with on a piece of white. That is a little tip for you, that if you are using just DSP in kind of delicate die cuts, it'd be a really good idea to go ahead and do that die cut also on, say, a basic white and then attach them together so that your delicate DSP won't be inclined to fold or crinkle or tear off. So it is possible, before I send this, I can see that it is bent right here. So I could either do a dimensional or 2 layers, because this is actually, it's only 1 layer up. So I could do a dimensional right here at this top leaf to secure it, or I can slip in another die cut in the basic white behind it. So I will definitely be doing that before I send it out. I used the gold faux leather or suede, and so I have the light on. I normally wouldn't, but I wanted you to see the glinting, sparkling gold bits that are in this lovely faux leather. I did use the hole punch die cut, also from Notes of Nature. It's like a notepad section torn out. The dimensions of the Pebbled Path strip that's torn is, I believe, 2 inches wide and 4 and a hair under 4 1/4. And we have He is Risen is white, heat embossed. It is on pecan pie. These little sprigs are also from Notes of Nature, and they are in pecan pie. I used the rustic dots, and then I also took white watercolor pencil dry to all of the palm fronds to tie in all of the white elements on this card. I think it is very sweet, and I will be coming to you 2 more times this week with cards that I made similar to this one. Please do all the YouTube things: like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.